Welcome to ProBot. Today we dive into the exciting world of UI and UX design tools in 2023. Two crucial aspects of design are user interface, UI, and user experience, UX. Both relate to people using a product but look at things from a different perspective. UI focuses on the aesthetic elements of how somebody interacts with a product. Example, typography, colors, menus, etc. UX, however, focuses more on how the person uses the product. The two are clearly connected and sometimes designed in tandem, but there are obvious differences. Determining the core user experience must come before the detail of user interface design. Whether your focus is on UX or UI, or whether you're trying to marry the two together, you will need quality tools to accomplish your tasks. This video focuses on various software UX/UI design tools to help you create better products. From designing a new easy-to-navigate website to ensuring an invention ready to hit the market is user-friendly. Our primary focus here is on UX/UI tools for digital products. Still, many will also be helpful for aspects of physical products, for example, designing product packaging that will meet all the rules and requirements of your marketplace. Number 1. Sketch. Sketch describes itself as the all-in-one designer's toolkit. It has attempted to cover the entire design process. It has also made a point of working with your other software and comes with over 700 extensions, assistants, plugins, and integrations. Sketch began as a Mac-only app but has now evolved to include a web app with tools that work in any web browser. It still doesn't have a native Windows app, however. It includes a set of intuitive vector editing tools. You can easily iterate on your work at any stage of the design process. You have an infinite canvas with flexible artboards and presets that let you design how you want. With customizable grids and simple resizing tools, you can scale your work to any screen size. Sketch includes variable font support to give you infinite control over typography in your designs. You can access alternate characters, ligatures, and more, and Sketch fully supports OpenType features. The Mac app includes real-time collaboration, while the browser version includes cross-platform tools for feedback, sharing, and developer handoff. For example, you can create symbols, text and layer styles, and color variables libraries and share them automatically with collaborators. Number 2. Adobe XD. All designers will know of Adobe graphic products, such as Photoshop and Illustrator, industry leaders in many categories. These flagship apps are part of Adobe's Creative Cloud and are helpful to UX/UI designers. For example, you can use Photoshop to edit, composite, and create images, graphics, and art. Adobe Illustrator is excellent for creating vector art and illustrations. However, one part of the Creative Cloud specifically targets UX/UI designers. With Adobe XD you can create realistic web design, app design, brand design, and game design prototypes. If you don't want to pay for the entire Adobe Creative Cloud, you can subscribe to Adobe XD separately. Adobe XD includes many valuable features to help your prototyping. These include vector drawing tools, 3D transforms, reusable components, repeat grids, auto animation, and content-aware layout. Render animations, embed playable videos, and create vivid and true-to-life prototypes with motion. You can even create voice commands and give your designs sound with voice-enabled features. Add sound effects to your designs for improved usability and personality. You can create interactions using keyboards and gaming controllers. Number 3. Figma. Figma connects everyone in the design process so teams can deliver better products faster. Figma is an all-in-one design platform. In addition, the company has an associated tool, FigJam, that acts as an online whiteboard for teams. Figma is excellent for design, prototyping, and design systems. UX/UI designers can then, in turn, use FigJam to collaborate and map out the design processes. Similarly, its art tool means you can quickly design clocks, watch screens, or pie charts. Figma's design tools are designed with the web in mind. It features a modern pen tool, where you can draw in any direction with vector networks. Figma features auto layout, meaning less manual resizing as objects stretch to fill for easy responsive design. The app has plugins for virtually everything, simplifying all those repetitive tasks. First, create consistent styles, color, text, grid, or effect. Then, apply them to any text or object across all your projects. Create design systems with linked UI components and styles your whole team can use across your projects. With Figma, you can bring your ideas to life in animated prototypes. Turn your static design files into an interactive experience, no coding required. Number 4. InVision Freehand. InVision Freehand is a centralized online whiteboard. While it has many uses within an organization, it is particularly beneficial for your design teams. You can connect every phase of design with an inclusive, collaborative hub. Indeed, you can even bring stakeholders and users directly into the design process. Freehand makes every stage of a project more creative, collaborative, and inclusive. You will find templates for every part of the design process, including brainstorming, strategy and planning, wireframes and flowcharts, effective meetings, and research and design. You can centralize your design work by adding Figma, Adobe XD, and SketchUp boards directly into Freehand if you use these tools. Number 5. Framer. Framer is a powerful design tool you can use to create stunning interactive designs from start to finish, all on the canvas. Design realistic websites and apps in minutes, with pre-made interactive components, polished assets, layout tools, etc. You can design UI for iPhones, Androids, macOS, and more. You can choose from a range of ready-to-use templates to save time and jumpstart any project, design, or wireframe. These include UI kits, such as a landing page kit, a material design kit, and an iOS kit. In addition, Framer includes project management design templates, website design templates, interactive design templates, and app design templates. You can use Framer to create realistic UI and UX designs for any type of app or website that is interactive from the start. You can collaborate with other designers, copywriters, and developers in real time on all your UI and UX designs and work together on the whole process. From wireframing the UI to handoff, it's easy to invite anyone to your Framer project and start collaborating. Your team can leave comments and respond to feedback on the canvas. Using Framer, you can design a website or app UI with any type of interaction, from to-do lists and forms to galleries and carousels. On top of customizable UI interactions, transitions, and animations, you can also add realistic interactive components that behave exactly as expected. As a result, you can design exactly how interactions and transitions will work in production, with no code required. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our content. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.